For years, as a nutritionist, I actually told people to be careful with oatmeal if they were trying to lose weight. It just didn't seem to keep people full, and often, it was loaded with sugar. But I have to admit, I was wrong. Or at least, I hadn't found the right way to do it. This one recipe completely changed my mind. It's an overnight oats recipe that is so creamy, so satisfying, and so packed with protein and fiber that it will honestly keep you full and energized for hours. Let's dive into how to make it. This recipe is so simple, it literally takes about a minute to throw together, which is perfect for busy mornings. First, grab a single serving container. You're going to add 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats. Next, we're going to add our fiber powerhouses. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of cacao nibs. This is the step that so many other healthy overnight oats recipes miss. The chia seeds and cacao nibs are what make these oats so incredibly filling and blood sugar friendly. They provide the majority of the fiber in this recipe. Cacao nibs also add a delicious, rich, chocolatey crunch without any sugar. Now for the most important part, the protein. I'm adding in 2 scoops of a high-quality, zero-sugar vanilla protein powder. This is the secret ingredient that turns this from a carb-heavy breakfast into a muscle-supporting, fat-burning meal. It adds a whopping 20 grams of protein, which is essential for feeling satisfied and preventing muscle loss while you're losing weight. The vanilla flavor makes these oats taste absolutely amazing. Like a creamy, delicious dessert for breakfast. For an extra boost, I also like to add a scoop of unflavored collagen powder. This is totally optional, but it's great for your skin, hair, and joints. Once all your dry ingredients are in the jar, give it a good mix to make sure everything is evenly combined. Now for the liquid. I use a combination of half a cup of whole milk and a 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. The milk and yogurt add even more protein and make the oats incredibly rich and creamy. Soaking the oats in yogurt also helps make them easier to digest. Stir everything together until it's well combined. Pop a lid on it, and stick it in the fridge. You'll want to let it soak for at least 4 hours, but you can let it sit for up to 5 days. This means you can prep a few of these at the beginning of the week, and you'll have a healthy breakfast ready to go every single morning. I love adding some fresh fruit, like blueberries or raspberries, for an extra dose of fiber and antioxidants. It's delicious, it's packed with 47 grams of protein and 13 grams of fiber, and it keeps me full and satisfied for hours. It's the perfect example of how you can enjoy the foods you love in a way that supports your health and weight loss goals. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It might just change your mind about oatmeal, too. If you enjoyed this and you're looking for more simple, delicious, and science-backed ways to live a healthier and happier life, I would be so grateful if you could give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, Wellness Weave. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next story. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.